The purpose of this video is to show that you can make a large variety of foods for lunch and dinner and still stay under your budget of $1 per meal. The link to the cost analysis and recipes for these meals will be in the description box below. I chose a couple of casserole recipes from my recipe binder and found several random recipes online. Some of them worked well without having to make any changes. Others had to be tweaked to make it fit in the budget. There was one or two that had to be eliminated because of cost, but most of the recipes I looked at could be made to fit in a strict budget. For the benefit of your health, weight, and finances, one of the most important things you can do is to eat proper portions. Once I started paying attention to this myself, I was surprised at the extra calories I was eating each day and how much money I could have saved if I had been more careful. When living on a strict food budget, it is easy to get discouraged. But you don't have to eat ramen every day. There are so many options available and good meals that you can make for less than $1. There is hope, and you can succeed. The cost analysis for each recipe was done using Walmart's regular prices. If a recipe was too expensive, I would reduce the amount of meat, or eliminate or reduce other ingredients that wouldn't change the taste of the basic recipe too much. You can have your cake and eat it too. Yes, you may have to make a few adjustments or eat a little less, but you can find ways to work out making your favorite recipes for less money. The casseroles in this video are proof that it can be done. If you have any comments, questions, or if you have frugal recipes that you would like to share with everyone, please put them down in the comment section below. Thank you.